Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to add Grammarly to Word. To start, open your internet browser. In here, I've already downloaded Grammarly, but in your case, open your internet browser and then go to grammarly.com. And then after installation, all you have to do is to choose Grammarly for Word. And then you should see buttons like this, and this will allow you to change the incorrect spelling to the correct spelling for all the words you have written. As an example, if we go to Microsoft Word right now, you will see some spelling mistakes. All you have to do this time is to click on the number 2 icon or whatever number pops up over the Grammarly application. Select the word and then click on Accept. Grammarly will then automatically correct the incorrect spelled words over at your types. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.